So budget AirPods style earbuds are all the rage, and every company is making a version that wants to give its customer that AirPods experience at a budget-friendly price.
When I'm up through the night, I can't turn down the noise, tear all the worries out of my mind. About who I'm supposed to be, I start to believe I can't get it right. Remember the days I let slip away, they were simpler times. Mama told me before you leave, if there's only one thing you remember from me, child, when you're out on your own, a million miles from home, feeling the weight of...
Today we're taking a look at an improved version of the original T21 and to see if this new model is any good. Welcome to a review of the Aukey EP T21S. Hello, my name is Sean and welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I do a lot of tech reviews as well as unboxing, and if that is something that interests you, do consider subscribing to this channel, leave a thumbs up on this video, as well as share this video to all your friends around. And with that said, let's get on with the review of the Aukey EP T21S. So Aukey has graciously sent me their latest budget TWS earbuds for me to review, and although they have sent me these earbuds, I will still be providing my honest opinion so you know what you're getting into before buying these earbuds. These earbuds retails for about 140 Malaysian ringgit, and that's about US 30, and it's definitely Aukey's range of budget earbuds, but so far, even with their budget earbuds, we generally have pretty good experience with them. So if you're interested in getting these earbuds, do check out some of my links in the description below, and it'll definitely help out the channel a lot. So when I first picked up the T21S, the earbuds that it reminds me the most is the QCY T5 series of earbuds, and if you're familiar with the original T21, that earbuds is the exact same earbuds as the QCY T5. Now with the new T21S, it's the same story, so you get all the same form factor and all, but now these earbuds come with a more familiar AirPods Pro style ear tips and has this unique shape that is honestly very comfortable, very similar to the Aukey EP N5. The case is a very simple plastic case, and a plastic case is one that definitely scratches very easily. And at the top of the case you see the nice Aukey branding in a nice contrasty black color, which is really nice. And at the back of the case you get a Type-C charging port, which definitely is an improvement from the micro USB of the original T21. At the front of the case, you also get 4 LED indicators that tells you the battery percentage of the case, and that makes up the entire outlook of the case. So unlike the QCY T5 Pro, this case does not support wireless charging. The lid opening action is also really smooth, and unlike the QCY, it doesn't feel cheap and thin, but the T21S has a very nicely built lid which has the shape of the earbuds cut out at the top, so it fits the earbuds nicely. The lid doesn't stay open when you open them, so it will slam shut when you tilt them around. So inside of the case you get the upside down earbuds, so when you put them back into the case, it's definitely going to take some getting used to, but when you do, they feel pretty natural. The earbuds itself is very simple, not much technology to it, and it's got a simple stem with an LED indicator at the bottom, and the shape of the earbuds is your typical AirPods style earbuds, so you can see the tip here is very similar to that, and there are no in-ear sensors on these earbuds. Personally, this type of shape fits me really well, and I think Apple really nailed it with the design of this type of earbuds, and I'm glad that many companies are adopting this style of ear tips. So from a battery standpoint, the Aukey is pretty decent, giving you a 5 hours of playback time, and the case gives you an additional 5 charges, and that totals up to be about 30 hours of playback time. There are no quick charge features on these earbuds, so it'll take 1.5 hours to fully charge. So as a budget earbuds, the Aukey doesn't come with many crazy features, but it gives you all the basics that you really need. For starters, it comes with a Bluetooth 5.0 chipset which supports AAC and SBC audio codec. Nothing fancy here like aptX, but plenty sufficient for most users and keeps costs down as well. The earbuds is also rated to be IPX6, and so it should provide you with sufficient protection for you to use it in a gym or getting caught under the rain, all of which should not be a problem for these earbuds. The T21S also provides you with super seamless mono and stereo mode, and the execution is really good, where taking either side and put it back into the case doesn't pause the media on the other side, and it does connect really quickly when you take it out on the case and put it back into your ears. Lastly, just like most TWS earbuds, there are no multi-point connectivity on these earbuds, so you can still connect them to multiple devices, just not at the same time. So the first thing I noticed with these earbuds is that it gives a super snug seal in my ear, basically giving you super good passive noise isolation. The sound quality on this is your typical Aukey sound signature, and that definitely is a good thing. I've always been very satisfied with what Aukey provides at a very decent price. Bass is actually really great sounding at all volumes, and when you go loud, they definitely sound very satisfying. Bass is thumping and strong at high volumes, but doesn't totally disappear at lower volumes, which is really impressive. Behind that thumping bass, you can hear most details in the music with very good control for mids and highs as well as the vocals. With Aukey, nothing takes a backseat. In terms of soundstage, these are not the widest sounding earbuds, but that is typical to most in-ear earbuds with a small driver. However, you'll be getting very impressive separation with these earbuds, and they definitely sound really good. In terms of the call quality, the T21S is pretty decent, and voice does come through very nice and clearly in both noisy and quiet environments. Background noise is pretty audible in noisy environments, but the earbud still does bring your voice through nice and clearly. Anyways, let's take a listen to the call quality test of these earbuds. So this is a test to see if the Aukey EP T21S is a good earbuds for making phone calls. So this is me speaking in a relatively quiet environment, and this is the call quality that you can expect. So what I'm going to do now is to turn on a simulated background noise so you can hear the difference. So now there's a simulated background noise playing in the background, and this is the call quality that you can expect from these earbuds. So what do you think of the call quality? Let me know in the comment section down below. So latency performance is also very well controlled on these earbuds, and it manages it really nicely. With very good control for latency in YouTube and Netflix, FPS games like PUBG are also very impressive with almost no delay with casual gaming. Anyways, let's take a look at the latency performance of these earbuds. So this is a test to see whether or not these earphones actually have a latency problem. So what I'm going to do now is clap into the microphone, and you should be able to tell. So here we go. And if you see the hands not synchronized with the sound, then you will know that these earphones actually have a latency problem. The Aukey gives you most of your basic media controls except for volume controls, but does come with the assistant feature, so you can use that to control your volume. To play or pause media or pick up phone calls, tap once on either side of the earbuds and it will play or pause your media, really simple. To skip tracks forward, double tap on your right earbuds and it will skip tracks forward, and to skip backwards, double tap on the left earbuds and it will skip backwards. So to call your assistant, triple tap on either side of the earbuds really quickly and it will pause your media and pull out your assistant, and there's where you can get your assistant to also control your volumes. So that's basically all of the controls you get with the T21S. Overall, for a budget pair of earbuds, I think this Aukey is really a solid pair, and if you're researching to consider this pair, I definitely think it's worth your while. So that is it for this review. If you find this video helpful, smash that thumbs up button, share this video everywhere, and if you haven't yet subscribed, do consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.